day, everyone. I am Clencian D. Flores, and today I am discussing the budget making process in the Philippine government. So, the first step is budget preparation. The budget process begins with the government agencies submitting their budget proposals to the Department of Budget and Management. This proposal outlined the agency's spending plans for the upcoming year. The DBM reviews this proposal, analyzes the needs of its agencies, and allocates funds based on the national priorities and available resources. Public consultation are held to gather input and ensure that the budget aligns with the needs and concerns of the people. And the second step is budget legislation. The President submits the proposed budget to the Congress for consideration. Both the House of Representatives and the Senate reviews the budget, hold public hearings to gather input and propose amendments. After throughout debate and discussion, both chambers pass a budget bill. This bill goes to the President for final approval, which transforms into law. And the third step is budget. Once the budget bill is assigned to the law, the DBM release funds to the government agencies based on the approved budget allocation. Agencies then proceed to the implementation their programs and projects, ensuring that funds are utilized efficiently and effectively. Throughout the implementation phase, agencies monitor their progress, track expenditures, and evaluate the effectiveness of their programs. And the last step is budget accountability. To ensure transparency and accountability, the Commission on Audit conducts independent audits to verify that government funds are used appropriately and efficiently. Agencies are required to submit regular reports on their budget utilization. Public and media coverage also play a vital role in monitoring government spending and holding officials accountable for the use of public funds. The Philippine budget process is a case cycle with four main steps. Agencies prepare budgets, Congress approves them, agencies spend the money, and audits ensure proper use. It involves everyone, and while there are challenges, it strives is the public funds responsible for the accountant's needs. Constant improvement and improved involvement are crucial for a better future. And that's all for my video presentation about budget making process in the Philippine government. Thank you for listening.